See, it was an over snow. It was snow, it was blizzard, snow. It was really bad snow weather outside overnight. All the neighbors, it was having it was snow blizzard outside overnight. In Brooklyn, like in Brunswick, Brooklyn, a neighborhood. Snow blizzard is really extremely a bad weather outside over snow at the neighbors' houses. Over snow on neighbors' houses. But the baseball ground got over snow on the baseball ground. It was a really bad snow out there overnight. A lot of people stuck into homes. Because unfortunately those who go outside, they cancel places. Sometimes they cancel school, they cancel program. You can't go outside to go into snow, walk outside snow overnight because it's not good. It's not good walk outside being alone overnight. You should to stay in the house with your family, with your maid. And with your friends, like either with your neighbors. And one more thing, don't live alone. Live with your own family, live with your neighbors, live with your friends, and live with your roommate. Don't go outside overnight and be safe inside the house.